mi gente? Welcome to What's Cooking with Instant conmigo, Omi, the Cooking con Omi. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make some fall off the bone guava beef ribs in half the time. So you're going to want to stick around for this because it's going to be quick. We're going to be making this in your Instant Pot Duo Plus with whisper quiet steam release. So, ven pa acá que te voy a enseñar. That just means come here, I'm going to show you. Ven, come on.
Let's start by seasoning our beef ribs with some sal y pimienta, se quieren casar, a little salt, a little pepper. This is going to be to your liking, so la cantidad que te diga tu corazón. Trust yourself. And because this is going to be your one and done, one of the many settings in your Instant Pot is the saute option. We're going to set it up for 30 minutes to saute and seal our beef. Heavily coat the inside of your Instant Pot with olive oil or avocado oil. I like to add about 3 tablespoons and start searing your meat skin side down. Listen to that sizzle. We're really looking for a nice sear on all sides, so make sure you turn them every 2 to 3 minutes on all 4 sides until you see a nice gold sear like this. Once these are done, go ahead and remove them and add your second batch, or if this is it, you can move on to your next step. But one thing I definitely want to highlight here is that the anti-spin pot makes stirring and sauteing so simple in your Instant Pot, so you don't have to worry about it moving around as you're sauteing your beef, or anything for that matter. And we're not wasting any drippings of flavor from that beef. Once you remove your beef, go ahead and dice some onion, white, red, el color que tú quieras, and add it to your pot and start sauteing that onion until it's beautifully translucent. Then add some chopped garlic, paya, and this is when we start really adding those flavors. We're going to add some tomato paste, some oregano, ground oregano would be fine, some cumin, a little bit of ground thyme, pimentón or paprika, and some red pepper flakes to give it a little kick. And to help us deglaze all of those amazing flavors at the bottom of your pot is some red wine, paya, about a cup. That's all you need. And this is when we add the magic touch. Remember, your kitchen, your rules. En tu cocina tú manda, pero en la mía mando yo. So right now, I'm about to add some guava paste. You can also do guava jelly. En tu cocina tú mandas. You can add any jam or jelly of your choice. I'm adding guava and I'm adding a cup of water, seasoning it with some more salt and pepper. And now we incorporate our ribs back in there so that they could start marinating and getting all of those flavors that we just added right into that beef. You're never going to burn anything in your Instant Pot with its overheat protection. Trust me, it has your back. Once you're done sauteing, press the option to pressure cook under the beef category by simply turning the dial. The large LCD screen is going to prompt you step by step on how to do it, and the cues will help guide you through the process as well. The whisper quiet steam release is another great feature that kind of makes pressure cooking a little bit less intimidating. So I know we've all been there. This is when I wish we had some sort of smell-o-vision. With all the technology we have, we need to be able to smell this because this smells so good, mi gente. And look at this meat falling off. You just made fall off the bone guava beef ribs in under an hour. This would normally take up to 3 hours to make. You could serve them up in the same way as I am right here with some cornbread, some sweet peas, and all the juices, or con lo que te diga tu corazón. En tu cocina tú manda. I've already told you, your kitchen, your rules. Pero mira qué cosa más linda.
Mi gente, now you've learned to make fall off the bone guava beef ribs in half the time in your Instant Pot Duo Plus. So make sure to stick around on my series on What's Cooking with Instant. Subscribe to the Instant YouTube channel and download the Instant Brands Connect app for more recipes and ideas. I can't wait to see you next time. Remember me, Omi, the Cooking con Omi. Bye!